welcome to Tella Friend.
Today we're making our costumes.
Yeah.
This is mine.
Yeah,
that's my
gonna
book.
be the rainbow fish for book character day.
And this is it's just a ballerina dress, but we're going to
it's because she's gonna be a fish, and this is like a mermaid.
These to cut out.
Yeah, that's what we think. We're gonna use the glitter felt to make the special scales.
And this is sparkly felt, and we're going to put on this black paper, and then we're going to put it on my costume with glue gun.
So this is the scale, and we're gonna draw it on here. Like we're gonna trace it around, like this, on the back of the felt.
We're done cutting them, and now we're going to glue them with a glue gun on this paper.
Not paper.
We're done cutting them, and now we're going to put them on my headband.
They look just
and
like
my
fish.
clothes. So I'm done with my headband, and my mom is going to sew the rest on my dress for me. Look at my headband. We just glued it, and doesn't it look great? And now I'm done with my costume. It was easy to make, right? And don't forget to subscribe to Tell a Friend. Bye!